Hi there, Cher Johnston here. Today we're going to do Take Stitch Tuesday. We're doing the cable chain. So with the cable chain, you're going to take the needle and wrap the thread, go down into the fabric, come back up, slight way away, and then wrap the thread like for a chain stitch, pull through, then again wrap the thread, leave a little space for the cable part, and then wrap the thread, pull through, and pull to the left. Unless you're right-handed, of course. I mean, unless you're left-handed, of course, then you would work this left to right. And then when you're done, you just go through to the back. And that is our stitch for Take a Stitch Tuesday this week. Thanks for watching. Bye.